Hey guys, this is Dr. Bassem Mankiris with Cornerstone Physical Therapy, and today I want to show you the top 5 exercises to help fix your posture. First, let's define what is bad posture. Bad posture is characterized by rounded shoulders, forward head, and kyphotic thoracic spine. The reason why we get into this position because a lot of the things that we do pull us into that position, whether it's computer work, whether it's texting, or prolonged driving. The reason why this is bad because it can cause neck pain, shoulder pain, or even lower back pain or pain that radiates down towards your arms. And now I want to show you the 5 exercises that you can do to help fix that posture. The first exercise that I want to show you is a chin tuck. What you want to do is put 2 fingers on your chin, then retract your chin back, hold that position for about 5 seconds. You should feel very small muscles here kind of working hard to keep you in that position, then relax. Okay? The goal of this exercise is to retrain some of those deep neck flexor muscles to kind of put your neck in the proper position that it should be at when you're sitting. The second exercise that I want to show you is a scapular retraction. This will help kind of prevent you from slouching forward like this. What you want to do is pull your shoulder blades back and down at the same time and hold that position for about 5 seconds again, then relax. You want to make sure that you don't go up with that one because that kind of defeats the purpose of the exercise. You want to go back and down with it. And this will help strengthen some of those back muscles that help kind of keep you upright. All right, so this third exercise is going to help us get some more movement and mobility into that thoracic spine, which is going to help us kind of assume that new position that we want. So what you want to get is a chair that has a back that doesn't tilt backwards. It's a sturdy chair. And you're going to clasp your hands kind of behind your head. And you're going to tilt back as far as you can. Hold that position for a few seconds, and then you can come back forward. Repeat that about 10 or 15 times. Okay. Then after you do that, you can kind of slide down into the chair a little bit and repeat again for 10 to 15 times. Okay? And what we're introducing here is a little bit more movement into that thoracic spine, which you'll need to kind of get to that new position. Because if you don't have that motion there, you can't possibly get back here. So we're trying to kind of fix the mobility in your thoracic spine to allow you to get to that new position. All right, so this next exercise is called wall angels. And what you want to do is stand with your back against the wall. Then you're going to bring your head back so the top of your head is touching the wall. Then you bring both of your arms up. Then the exercise is moving your arms up and down, kind of slide them up and down the wall. Now when you do this, you might not be able to kind of touch your arms all the way back if you have really forward posture, but the goal is to every time that you're doing it, you're trying to get as far back to the wall as possible. And this will help kind of stretch out your chest muscle that kind of pulls you forward. Plus it kind of teaches you what is proper alignment of the head, shoulders, and your thoracic spine. For this last exercise, we want to stretch out those chest muscles. So we're going to do either a doorway stretch or a corner stretch. So what you want to do is put one arm on each side, and then put one leg forward and drive your chest towards that corner of the wall. And you should feel a gentle stretch across your chest muscles here. And you can vary that angle by moving your arms up and down. So you can go a little bit higher and try it there and see if you get a different stretch, and a little bit lower, or even all the way low. When you stretch, you want to hold that for 30 seconds, and you can repeat that 4 times to total 2 minutes. Studies have shown that you need to really stretch the muscle for 2 minutes to actually get those muscle fibers to lengthen properly. So if you do these 5 exercises on a daily basis, it will help fix your posture and also will help prevent neck, shoulder, and back pain. Thank you for watching.